Hello and welcome to episode 2 of Hit and Run Fishing. I'm back on Mark X after the Huss and Ray, hopefully. It is about 8 o'clock I think, high tide's about 9, I'm going home about 10:30, so yet again, a couple of hours, hit and run, and away we go. I'll have a little bit more footage of me tonight, so just staring at your rod tips, and maybe a fish if we're lucky. I'm a bit more prepared than I did last week, so I managed to bring I made a big drop net today instead of the Mark 1, which is an adapted boat net, which wasn't very big, and I've got it all really set up, so if I do hook a monster again like I did last time, I should land it for you guys. So I shall sign off for a minute and hopefully get a bite, stick it in the stand, and let's see if I can get some footage of me dragging the monster in. See you soon. Alright guys, didn't press record. Next bait, nice little joey. I've taken the fillet off, that's already on one of the other baits. There you go, joey head, guts, gills, the lot. Trimmed off the eyes like a sand eel. Taking my fillet off, wound up the single AO. The rockland attacked this bait already. So we've spun it up. Snapped the 150 pound line. I got that hook back because of the elastic. Great. So you guys don't want to watch my ugly mug the whole time. So there's me 2 compressors up in the rest, waiting for one of them to bang over. Down here I've got a little Traverse X. I was trying to catch a rockling bait. I love a bit of fresh bait. Best things about being on the rocks is rockling. There's the 2 big ones. Come on, baby, come on. We're coming up to the tide's slowing down now. It's coming up to high water, so hopefully something should show. At the minute I just had a couple of twisted up baits and not a lot else to show for my efforts. So I'm going to step up the pressure, change baits a bit more regularly, and get on it proper. In the meantime, just watch these rods a minute. Right guys, a quick update. It's gone a bit quiet. We've never really got going tonight so far, but it's very, very quiet. A few little rattles, nothing too dramatic on the rods. I'm hoping to do a bit more of a high water in about 40 minutes. Getting chilly with the northwesterly. Sea's flat-ish. There's a lot of people on Cheddar Beach tonight. Yeah. I've got 3 rods out now. One in close to Rockland, trying to get some light bait. The 2 biggers out of distance, and yeah, not hardly a sniff. A couple of bites on the Rockland rod. Lost one, nice one. Story of my life so far on these videos, but we shall soon see. My guys are still quiet. Very quiet. Little round on the left, he says it's quiet. But yeah, it's not exactly a slammer, to say the least. Like I said before in the video, I think this marker's going to fish best when it's blowing a hoolie. Maybe slightly less tide. Both rods are just pulsing away with the waves and the kelp. Not great, but we'll just see. Next bait's down here. We got whole squid, a big lump of mackerel on the hook side. And again, our trusty Hato Big Mouth Extra imp right on bottom. With a 6-ounce lead. He's a Nair mix in this case. Great leads. Fly like a bullet. Grip like an anchor. Well, right on bottom, 150 pound pulley rig. I'll just do something a little bit more positive than a poxy little rattle. And yes, I did really fall on my ass just now in a previous clip. Sorry about that language. Come on, piggies, come on. Right guys, back in the truck now, about to go home, hit and run, cut up a fish about 2.5, 3 hours, something like that. Yeah, terrible. Barely had a bite, cut a little rattles on the bass rod, lost those. Yeah, just terrible. Think about this one a bit more, because I thought I'd fish better now, over the top of the tide. Obviously first the ebb and a bit rougher. Hey ho, next time, back out on Saturday I think, somewhere else maybe. Go Mark B, Plan C, maybe Mark X, this one again. See you later guys, bye.